Hi, welcome to another episode of Kitchen Revelations. Today I've come up with an instant and easy tea time snack recipe. Without wasting much time, let's quickly start. Into a bowl, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida. Next, add 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon salt. Mix the dry ingredients really well. Now to make the snack more flavorful, I'm going to add 2 medium-sized onions finely chopped, 1 inch piece of ginger, 3 green chilies finely chopped, and few curry leaves. If you're new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon next to it for regular updates. Click on the all option of the bell icon, otherwise you won't get the recipes as and when I post. Also, please do scroll down and check out more instant recipes posted on this YouTube channel. Link for the same has been given in the description box below. Now mix everything really well. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of thick curd. This is added to give a very soft and moist texture to the snack. Next, using your hands, mix this really well. Add water little by little. Please remember that you need a very thick batter and not thin one, hence add water cautiously. So our batter is ready. You can see it should be this thick. It should form shape when you hold and drop it. There is no need for resting the batter. Hence you can immediately fry these snacks. So you can keep oil in a kadai and keep it on low to medium heat. Meanwhile, I've taken some cold water here, dipped both my hands in this water, and then I'm going to take some part of this batter and form shapes. Since the batter is of a little sticky texture, you need to dip your hands every time in cold water before dropping them into oil. So this is how I have shaped them. Now drop them immediately into low to medium heat oil. This is similar to urad dal vadas or mendu vadas which we get from hotels. But since this is an instant recipe, we are not using urad dal, instead we are using all-purpose flour. Once again, I would like to remind you that you need to cook this on low to medium heat and fry till both the sides turn golden brown in color. Another tip is, if the batter becomes watery, it won't form shape and it will be difficult for frying. So our first batch is ready. Fry the remaining vadas by dipping your hands into cold water and then drop them into oil. You can call them onion fritters or onion vadas. You can see that they have become crunchy from outside and soft from inside with all the flavors of herbs and spices. Do try out this instant tea time snack recipe and share your feedback in the comment section below. Also do share it with your friends and family if you liked this video. Thank you for watching Kitchen Revelations.